like I was duped of my entire wealth. A roadside mechanic. How did I even allow this happen to me? Me, Chief Donald of all people. Who will even believe this? You see that boy? I will make sure that he rots in jail. I will ruin him, ruin his family, and ruin his generation next.
Why me, Mom? Why did Izuna do this to me?
My dear, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
My friends will laugh at me. I can't even show my face in public. I'm ashamed of myself, Mommy.
It wasn't your fault. You did nothing wrong. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop. April, please.
Mother, this isn't fair.
Stop crying. Uzuko. One. Oh. It's okay.
I feel hurt.
My brother, after everything, the millionaire's daughter rejected my most modest barrister and got married to a common mechanic. This is unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
It is funny. Nothing will stop me from claiming my wife this time.
You surprise me. Really? So you're still having such thoughts in your mind?
This is the plot twist. Like in the movies. Good movies anyway. This is an opportunity for me to prove to her that I am the right man to be her husband.
Always, I wonder how you're going to do that. That girl is pregnant for the guy.
Who cares? You see, sometimes I wonder the way you think sometimes.
I should be the one asking you this question.
Do you know what is called love? Do you have an idea what is actually called love? It doesn't come easy. Let me tell you something, brother. April will be my wife.
At this point, I can see you've lost your sense of reasoning. Always.
Why is she wasting too much time? April, please, be fast! Pick up! April! Why are you wasting so much time?
Good evening, madam.
Please, hold your greetings. There is nothing good about the evening. Keep it to yourself, wicked man.
I know I erred, but please forgive me. I'm sorry. I can explain.
Hey. Keep your explanation to yourself. I don't want to hear it. How am I even sure that you are the real owner of this house? That you didn't borrow it as well? Gente, it is over. Read my lips. Over. Between you and my daughter. Simple.
Sorry, madam, you can't do that.
Oh.
She's my legally married wife, and she's carrying my seed.
Huh?
Did I kill anybody? Just because I lied about my occupation? Is mechanic that bad? I'm a real person. I just added little fake life to my life, which is not that bad.
Let's watch and see.
You are trespassing, woman. You are crossing your boundaries. I'm just respecting you. You are crossing your boundaries.
Really?
She's my wife. She's carrying my seed. What's all this now? Because I lied and so? You're overreacting. I'm just respecting.
Really? And what can you do about it? What can you do about it? April, my friend, come down here, let's go. You are leaving this house this night. Boro.
Am I the first mechanic?
You are not the first, but you will be the last. Nonsense. I don't blame you. April! Why are you keeping me here? Please come, let's go, because... Let's go! Rubbish. I don't blame you.
Do not try to stop me, because I won't even listen.
If you must leave, don't leave with my baby.
What do you mean you're one child? I shouldn't live with it? How?
Why is everybody acting as if I did something horrible? I lied about my occupation, and so? Is mechanic a crime? Is being a mechanic now something bad? Through this job I've been feeding you, I've been providing your needs, I take care of you, you lack nothing. So what's the big deal? I lied, fine and good, and so is it that serious?
You lied about everything, that's the problem. So where do you want me to stay exactly? Tell me. This house? Look at yourself. If you can lie and camouflage by using other people's cars, why wasn't I think that this house belongs to someone else? Apparently this is also someone else's house. Is this where you want me and my unborn child to live?
This is my house. And besides, had it been I came correct, you wouldn't have accepted me.
Then you should have waited to know. Now we'll never know what I would have given you as an answer.
Are you sure you want to do this?
This love is meant to be. This love is meant to be.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Where is this girl, for Christ's sake? Why so much delay? What was it? What happened?
I had to pack all my things.
Let's go.
Mother, do you know what he said to me?
What did he say?
He said, if I must leave, I mustn't live with his baby.
What? Which baby? And who told him that the baby belongs to him?
Mom.
Yes. He's not the father of the baby.
But
Simple.
he is. Why would you say something
Listen,
like that?
Marriage based on pretense is never a marriage. Let's go. I said let's go.
I need to get the other part.
Fast!
It feels so crazy to think I cannot be with you. I cannot imagine what my life will be without you. Baby, just you and I. No one can take your place.
Good afternoon, April.
What are you doing here?
Could you at least reciprocate my pleasantries before?
No, because you're not supposed to be here. You need to please leave before my parents see you. I had promised them that I would never, ever have anything to do with you ever again.
April, can you just tell me why you can get married to a mechanic? Do you realize I have a good job, a professional job? I am a lawyer with respect and dignity.
Can you just hold it? Don't even finish that line. In my defense, I never knew he was a mechanic. Come on. You didn't have to use that.
April,
Mom,
what is he doing here?
Good afternoon.
I wouldn't know. I came out and I saw him here, so ask him.
Young man, what are you doing here?
But I came here to let you know that I really do love your daughter. I do love your daughter so much, and she does as well. She loves me too. I just want to ask for a chance. I just want to love her. I just want to have her as my wife.
Are you not tired? Eh? Are you not tired? Please leave before my husband sees you here. Please.
Hey, go. Can you leave?
I want to see your husband. Yes.
Please leave before you put me into trouble.
I want to talk to him man to man.
What did I hear you say? You want to see Chief as a man to man?
Mom, that's what he just said.
For your own good, please. Go.
We live in a world where everyone deserves a chance. And I also do deserve one. Isn't it?
She's married, for Christ's sake.
Mom used to be married. I'm no longer married to him.
Even though.
Mommy, please.
Please, go.
I should be begging you, please.
Move on.
Yes, we're having shareholders meeting by the middle of this week by Dumex's hotel at, you know Dumex Road, of course you know that. Yeah, of course. The chairman is aware of it. Of course, I'll be, feeding you. Okay. Please tell Jomax that I have prepared the balance sheet. Okay, I'll get back to you soon. I'll talk to you about that one. What is it?
Chief, sorry to disturb you.
That's okay.
Please, can you come out and tell this boy to leave this premises? He's creating a scene.
Who?
Elvis.
Who is Elvis?
That barrister that wanted to marry.
What? Who opened the gate for him? What in St. Peter's name is he doing in my house? Who opened? Who is that bastard? Who is that periwinkle?
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you, what are you doing here? Is this your house?
This is my in-laws' house. So I came to see my wife and the people here. What are you doing here?
Can you hear yourself? Your in-laws' house. Are you married to her still? After they found you liar.
Are you stupid?
Eh?
Is it because you people see mechanic as a small job or occupation? Do you know how much I make a day? No jokes, I will feed you and your family forever from that mechanic. So stop calling it mechanic as if it's a disease.
So tell me, why did you lie?
What's that bastard? What are both of you doing in my house?
No problem.
What are both of you doing in my house? Now leave!
Chief. Please, I am here to ask for one more chance, just one more chance. I love your daughter so much. Not this man who lied. I am very honest man. Give me a chance.
To me.
Lawyer Boromanka.
Sergeant, I'm well lawyer. Your own case has been discussed and dismissed long time ago. You have no place in this house. Now leave.
You heard it from the horse's mouth. Get out. You heard it from the horse's mouth. Get out.
Will you shut up? Mr. Mechanic, I am not talking to you. I ask both of you to leave my house now. Oh.
Please, just one.
You don't want to leave, both of you? There is a better way to leave.
He's coming for you.
For your own good, better leave this place. For your own good.
What are you still doing here?
I came for you, please.
Please leave before my dad comes back outside. You won't like what he will do when he comes back.
Rejected soul. Leave now.
Now leave my house!
Dad!
Chief, please.
Dad, what are you doing?
Calm down. Okonoma. Chief, you want to commit murder? Ha! Chief, Pico, calm down.
So, you don't want to leave?
Chief, dying for love or for murder. If I die because of the love I have for your daughter, so be it. I'm for real. I'm sorry for whatever happened. Please. I still want my wife back. I'm sorry.
Mom, I'm worried about our daughter. She's truly in love with that mechanic.
Oh, come on. What in the name of St. James did I hear you say? I don't want you to mention that name again in the house and tell her I said so.
Chief, have you forgotten that she's pregnant? Who will now be the father of the child?
Well, as it is now, abortion is an obvious option. I don't want such a seed in the next generation. Don't you get it?
Did I hear you right? Have you forgotten that you're a knight in the church?
So what has my knighthood got to do with the future of my only child, Christy?
And you want to offend God?
And please don't judge me!
I'm not judging.
Say no further words!
It feels so crazy to think I cannot be with you. I cannot imagine what my life will be without you. Baby, just you and I. No one can take your place. Whatever it takes, I'll be here by your side, side by each other. I know I wronged you, baby. I cannot lie. I know I wronged you. I cannot fight. This love is meant to be. I'm sorry, baby. Please forgive me. I cannot lie. I know I wronged you. I cannot fight. This love is meant to be. I wanna be with you, hold you.
Yes.
I was looking for you. Chief, I want to ask you for the last time. Are you really serious about aborting our daughter's pregnancy?
On the affirmative. I'm taking her to the hospital this morning.
Chief, without her consent?
I don't need her consent. She's my daughter. I need to do what is right. It's for her own good.
Just know it that I'm not part of this arrangement. I can't do it. At all. I'm not.
I take my chances.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning. How are you doing? Hope you slept well last night.
No, Dad. I couldn't sleep.
I understand. But you'll be fine, okay? Very soon everything will be fine and then you carry on with your life.
But how?
I'll answer that question later. Right now, I want us to go somewhere, so you go up, change to something that speaks about April. You and I going to somewhere this morning.
You and I? Where exactly?
I'll answer that in the car. Just go up. I'll go up to my room, change to something else too.
Okay, Dad, let me just get water first.
Go up.
Dad, I just want to get water.
Okay, I'll give you a few seconds. You start counting now.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, baby. How are you?
Very well, thank you, Mom. Mom, do you know where Dad is taking me to?
Are you two going out?
Yes, we are, but he didn't tell me where we're headed.
I have no idea.
Is he out yet? Oh.
I was knocking on your door. Thank God you're here. Now after me.
Dad, where exactly are we headed?
That question doesn't impress me much. We'll talk in the car after me.
Mom, I'll see you later.
My tools are no longer complete though. Eh?
Ebuka, for some days now, Oga have not been to work. Could it be because of that incident that happened the other day?
That will not concern me. Although I spoke with him this morning, he said he will be here today.
He will be here today. Was it not the same thing he told us yesterday? Story.
Well, all I know is that what he did is not good. It's not good. Huh? Why an ordinary mechanic you will go to that big man's house to marry? Eh? You get loco.
Ebuka, do not judge so that you will not be judged. If an Oga shoes, you actually do the same thing. Who go see fine girl like that, you no go want marry am?
I know that the same thing you will do. I know it's your prayer. You will be the one to act like Oga, not me. As you see me say, I'm a simple man by nature. Me, Ebuka, I don't have time.
Ebuka, but you and I know say our Oga has a very big high taste. In taste they up. So you need to understand that now. You know him very well.
It's true now. See where in high taste now landed him. You are learning work, you are learning mechanic, you are learning other side of Oga's life. Be careful, oh. Be careful.
But me and you know it's not his fault, Sha. It's not his fault. And as for that one, I know sir go do pass Oga normally. You see that man where they carry that big Benz come. That car in my eye.
Prison. 8 years.
Maybe only prison.
Prison.
You see how that steering soft?
Okay. No problem now.
The day I will carry that car enter to go test them, man. Oh my God.
By that time I don't
180.
I don't open my own shop.
Well, I feel like I don't the hungry shower. No, like you.
The worst part is that she's not even taking my calls anymore.
So what would you expect from her? Yeah?
After finding out who you really are, after finding out you messed her and her family up, I want you, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Guy, na lie I lie. I no key person. I no thief. Na lie I lie. Just because I added little fake life to my life. Is that the problem?
But are you forgetting something? You know how mean, you and I know how mean this girl's father is.
I'm not marrying her father. I know how to handle this. My wife will come back home. Have you forgotten she's carrying my child? Will they abort my child? She's already in love with me. Is it because they found out that I lied about my profession? Have I not been fulfilling my family obligations? I've been feeding my wife well. I've been providing for her. I bought her a car. We've been living well. Just because I lied. Because had it been I went there and told them I'm a mechanic, they would not give her hand in marriage to me. I needed to lie, just a little lie, so that I'll get what I want. Now everybody's looking at me as if I killed someone.
What is surprising me is the level of your daughter. the level of your gods, like.
Always. Please forget about this girl. There are so many girls out there that are desperately in need of husband. I can connect you to one. In fact, I have one. My friend, you will like her. She came from a good home.
Always. Please listen to my girl.
I really do appreciate your concerns. But I have gone too far to just let April and everything just go down the drain. I can't let April be just by herself, and I can't let that bastard have her.
The question is, does April want you?
Of course she does. I love her as much as she loves me. The only problem here is her father. He has been the one deceiving her and filling her with all sort of negative ideas and thoughts. That's just it. You see, we were meant for each other. And I will do everything possible to have her.
You will do everything possible to have her? Now that her father doesn't want you, how will you achieve your aim?
There's no need of asking him. There's nothing he can do. That is why I'm advising you as my friend to let her be.
Sorry, let me take this call. Hello?
Babe. Yeah. I don't understand this, your friend, though. He has been answering strange calls. What is going on?
I don't know. Probably business calls.
Business calls?
My daughter, I wish I could stop it. Well, if it is the will of God, let it be. But if it's not, God, please make it stop. Please, God. Chief. Chief, what is it? Where is April? Hey, Chief. Where is our daughter?
April was kidnapped on our way to the hospital.
What kind of joke is that? Chief, where is our daughter?
You see, my car was swiped by them and they took her away. That was exactly what happened.
Again? They have got a here in Capico. Who is doing this?
Whoever that person is, that person will not go scot-free.
Chief, better go out there and look for my daughter. Chief, go out there and get my daughter back for me. I told you I want you. I begged you, Chief. I begged you. I begged you. I begged you. You said no. Now look at it. Now look at it. My daughter is gone. God, who is doing this to me? Who is doing this? Who is doing this to me? Chief, you can't get my daughter for me. Chief, you can't get my daughter for me. I begged you. I begged you. I begged you, Chief. I begged you, God. I beg you. My only child. My only child.
Complex emotion. Love is a complex emotion. It is not me. I'm material things. What is she?
Please help me.
Let's love flow, stop playing with the heart. Let's love flow, stop playing with emotions. Let's love flow, flow, flow.
My daughter has been kidnapped again. And my husband is afraid to contact the police because we have not heard from the kidnappers.
I want to love you, never let you aside for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you, give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountains.
Yes. Okay, just give me a few minutes. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Mommy, what is it? Who was kidnapped? April. Again? Again? Who is doing all this rubbish? Who? I don't know. What have she done? What have she done to deserve this? I don't know, my dear. That girl has been through a lot this period. She has been through a lot. This is serious. This is very, very serious. Mom, are you sure either Elvis or Izuna have no hand in this? Because anything is possible. I don't trust anybody. If any of them had a hand in this, oh my God will punish that person. In fact, that person will not see anything good. He will not see anything good. Amen. Poor April. Only God knows what she's going through.
Guys, it's almost night.
Don't know be lie. We need to move ahead. All her instructions have been paid. We need to end this now.
Good on, sir. Please help me. Please. I know you're not a bad person.
Move.
Please help me. My father will give me something, please.
What?
Please don't kill me. Please. Don't kill me. Please. I'm still too young to die.
Quiet.
God. Please help. Wait.
Quiet. I say quiet.
Daddy here.
This way.
Please, Daddy. Forgive me. I'm too young to die.
Shut your mouth.
Where am I?
Quiet.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me a chance. I want to love you. Give my love chance for the rest of my life. I will cross the mountain.
What are you doing here? I'm asking you. Said you get to see your wife. Which wife? Don't tell me that you're not aware that my daughter was kidnapped yesterday.
My wife kidnapped?
Isn't
Chief, good morning.
better pray that nothing happens to my daughter. If anything happens to her, I will skin you alive. I mean words when I say them.
Chief, I swear, I'm just hearing this for the first time.
The same old cheap tricks, right? You think I'm joking with you? I will skin you alive.
It is not based on material things. Money should not be determinant for love.
My friend, close that gate.
This heart is not a playground. Let love flow.
It's going to be very difficult. It's going to be very, very difficult. I would like to. Obviously, I understand how you feel. But there's nothing you can do. More than any guest.
Let's go. Leave me alone. Where is my wife? This idiot kidnapped my wife. Where is my wife?
I have no idea what.
Where is my wife?
I have no idea.
Ogiso.
I have no idea.
Condemn your eye. Ogiso, please. Step aside. Ogiso, I will condemn your eye. Ogiso, please. I will condemn your eye. Step aside.
What are you talking about? What are you?
Ogiso, please.
You know how they like
Please, can I ease myself?
What is he doing now? Now, for you, get my body, you do me. Get my body, you do me. Ta. Now, where did you keep this thing now? But you so bad. Now, for you. Yeah. Now, where you gonna keep this thing?
Look, I'll come down, bro.
Ah, snake don't bite me, fuck off. Nah, man, I want them now.
Snake!
Ah, yeah! Man, this girl fuck me up. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Mama, where is snake? Ah! Mama, no, this girl fuck me up. I know we dey cry because of snake, man. I want for you, you know, believe me. Ah!
Yeah, press on. Press on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Come on. Ah!
Bro, I don't feel they cry for snake now. I don't believe on how for you. But this again, they touch me.
You shot now, you want to call many bullets. Now this one I want to shot. Stand down.
For you, I trust you. Yeah? What happened? Hey! Oh God!
Stay there.
This snake don't fuck me up. My brother secure that man too.
What's going on? Let me call this again. Okay, it's ringing. Pick your call. Pick this damn fucking call. They're not picking. Why is this idiot not picking my calls? Hope all is okay. You need to pick my call. You need to pick my call right now. God. Pick my damn fucking call.
This is the second time this is happening. Elvis, you are my friend. I need to know the truth. Do you have a hand on this?
Emeka, are you asking me this? Was I even aware that April was kidnapped in the first place? No, tell me. Was it not that hoodlum, that idiot who brought the news to me? How do you expect me to know? Okay, tell me, how did he get the news? Tell me, how did he get the news? Eh?
You are right, too. Eh? His action might be an act of pretense.
Well, anything is possible. I'm just concerned about my friend.
You see that bastard? You see that idiot who laid his filthy hands on me? I will deal with him personally. I swear to God who made heaven and earth. I will personally deal with him. He wouldn't go scot-free. I swear to God Almighty. He will not go scot-free. He won't.
It's okay. Please, just, I understand. Just
Please, calm down.
You need to calm down. Please, okay.
Please.
He's playing with fire.
And you have every right to be angry right now. But you need to calm down, please.
A whole barrister. He had the guts to shatter, batter, and assault a barrister. Are you aware that I know the law and I have every single right to deal with him? I have the full... Rebecca?
I understand, but you need to calm down. Please sit down.
Please, just calm down.
Honey, please get him water to drink, okay? Please.
Elvis. Barrister Elvis. Shattered and battered. And then you expect a common man, a hoodlum, to go scot-free. Sit down for what? Hey!
Elvis, I know you're angry right now. Please. Just calm down. Sit down first, please. Okay?
Hey, Ogalivan. Now my concern may be that.
Guy, no do this thing. Back off.
As me leave and my concern may be that. I will shoot you.
And the reason you as youth to youth. No do this thing. Now my wife with this, back off.
Chief, you can't remain like this. Delay is dangerous. I think you should report this matter to the police before it's too late.
Only I do not want to take chances. Kidnappers are always, against any kind of police report. Let us hear from them first. Please.
They're supposed to have called by now. It's more than 24 hours.
But all I know is that they will call at their convenience. Be patient. One will call. I guess they're the one calling.
Pick the call.
Yes, Chief, do not speak. Who am I on? Yes, what? Okay, which place? All right, I'll be there in the jiffy, okay? Thank you very much. Hello? Something terrible.
Chief, talk to me now. What is it, Chief? Hey, Chief, what happened?
Road users are busy and in a hurry. They don't know. They just come and balance on the road as if it's their father's house. I will knock this person now. Leave the road.
Is that not the hospital?
It's by the side. Oh, come on. I missed it. Let me turn. I missed it. No, let me turn. Don't be in a hurry, okay? Let me turn. I missed it.
We don't want anything to happen to her.
Your daughter is safe actually. The problem now we are having is the young man that saved her life.
A young man? Where is he? What about him?
Yes, of course, Chief. According to the eyewitness at the scene, the young man took the bullet for her before the police could arrive and arrest the hoodlums. As I even speak to you, one of his colleagues was bitten by a snake at the same place they took your daughter to.
Okay, doctor. So, where is the young man? Can I see him right now?
No, you can't see him at the moment right now because he's unconscious and he lost so much blood.
God. Another young man saved our daughter's life.
I can't wait to see this one.
If not for that one, your daughter would have been dead by now.
Hey!
As I speak to you now, he has taken 2 pins of blood already. He's in the 3rd one actually.
What can I do now? Should I transfer some money to you?
No, Chief, just calm down. Everything is in control right now.
Oh my God. Thank you.
God,
thank you very much.
Thank you. Doctor, thank you so much. Thank you.
Please, just relax yourself.
Doctor, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Chief.
Good day, Chief. I'm Inspector Joe, and this is Sergeant Jen. We're from the State CID. Chief, we have an information concerning your daughter's kidnap, and we're here for verification.
I'm listening.
Does your daughter have a friend by the name Mirabel?
Yes. On the affirmative, yes. Her best friend.
The information we have confirms that Mirabel was the one who planned your daughter's kidnap and intended murder.
Jesus.
Officer.
What are you saying?
Yes.
Mirabel is the one that wants to kill our daughter. Why?
Officer, just a quick one. I mean, this is unbelievable. She can't hurt a fly. She's like my daughter, you know. We take her as a daughter.
Can you identify her?
That's Mirabel.
That's Mirabel? Right.
Has your daughter been kidnapped before?
Yes.
She must have minded it too.
Are you saying that? She's the one calling me.
The Mirabel?
Yes.
Okay.
Answer her.
The Mirabel?
Yes.
Okay.
Answer her. Pretend as if you know nothing. If possible, lure her to this place.
Hello? Yes. I'm at home. No. She has not been found. Okay. You'll be coming tomorrow? Alright. I'll be waiting. No problem. Bye.
She said she's coming here tomorrow.
Yes, she says she's coming tomorrow.
Good. Once she arrives, give us a call so we can arrest her.
That's okay. All right, officers. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Chief.
Always here, Chief. We'll take our leave now.
Chief, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. So Mirabel has been the one doing this to our daughter. We took her in like our own daughter. We treated her well. And she did this to our everyone. Why are people so wicked? Why? Mirabel, why?
Now I'm back.
You're welcome.
Are you alright?
How can I be alright when my son's line has not been going for 2 days now? His owner's number, his line has not been connecting for 2 days now. I am worried that something bad must have happened to him.
Mama, nothing will happen to him.
Amen. Amen.
Mama, why are you troubling yourself? It might be network problem, and you're here dying for nothing. Mama, let me just go inside and prepare something for you to eat.
Tell me why his line will be off for 2 days. Eh? I am worried. I am worried. I am worried about my son.
Mama, I say it's okay. Let me go inside and cook something for you to eat.
It's okay. Welcome.
Be okay, eh? Come to think of it, my mother is right. My brother's phone has never gone off even at midnight. For his phone to be off for 2 days means all is not well. I have to do something and find out what has gone wrong with my brother.
Are you Miss Mirabel?
Why are you asking? I don't know you people. Young lady, answer simple question. Are you Miss Mirabel?
I'm sorry, I can't answer such. I don't know you people.
Inspector Joe from the state CID. Now, are you Miss Mirabel?
Yes, I am Mirabel.
Officer Rosa.
For what? I didn't do anything.
Kofa.
I did not do anything, officer.
You did not do anything.
I did not do anything.
You're under arrest for kidnap and attempted murder of Miss April. You have the right to remain silent because anything you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I did not kidnap.
That's okay. Kofa immediately.
You're very wicked!
Mother, please, it's okay.
I did not do
We
it.
take it
I
from
swear
here.
to God, I did not kidnap you.
We take it from here. We take it from here.
Mommy, please forgive me.
Take it away.
Please, Mommy, I don't want.
Move her.
I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to. Mommy, please, take it away.
We're taking it from here, mother. Please, please.
Take her away. Get away from my house. You are evil. I don't want to go to jail. Move, please, Mommy, please. Don't let them take me away, please. I don't want to rot in jail.
Move her.
Officer, I did not do it, I swear.
I don't want to handle you.
I'm sorry. Please, I beg you, Mommy, please.
Take her away. Move.
Like our own daughter. And you have the mind to do this.
Mirabel. So you're not...
Officer, take her away!
You're not scared of me, Mirabel. Where is my phone? I need to do some calls. I need to do some...
Come in.
Excuse me, sir. Chief and his wife are here. They said they want to see the patient in Ward 4.
Oh, okay, sure. They can go and see him now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Jesus. Chief. Izuna.
You saved my daughter's life again.
Yes, Chief. What God has joined together, let no family put asunder. I told you I can take a bullet for your daughter just to prove how much I love her. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about.
Izuna, you are indeed a God sent to save our daughter's life. We can never thank you enough. Thank you so much.
Please, where is my wife?
She's getting better and she has been asking about you.
Where is she?
She's in another room. Thank God both of you are safe. Can you imagine?
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm fine. Are you alright?
I'm fine, thanks to you. Please sit. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life once again.
You're welcome. That's my duty.
My parents told me my friend Mirabelle was behind everything that happened.
So I heard. You see, in life, onye mama than it's okay.
Thank you once again. I'm grateful. I promise, henceforth, I will never, ever leave you.
You're mine forever, it's okay.
And our first fruit is safe.
Thank you.
Sweetheart, what have you decided? Are you still going to stop them from marrying each other?
There is no comparison in marriage, Obium. Yes, I appreciate the fact that he saved my daughter the second time, but I can choose to reward him so many ways.
And you think he will accept any other reward aside giving your consent?
Excuse me? What right has he to lecture me on how to run my family? It's my daughter we are talking about. We are not talking about, some kind of Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
My only daughter.
Yes. And he saved her life 2 times.
He lied to me. He deceived me on his social status. That alone is enough not to hand my daughter over to him. He's a dupe.
Chief, why are you being hard-hearted? Why? It is our precious daughter's life we are talking about. Your precious daughter. Please, allow her to be happy. She loves this young man so much. Can't you see it in her eyes? Please, allow them. Do it for her, please. Pico. Sweetie.
Oh, come on.
For me to settle down, day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you, I want to love you, never let you go for the rest of my life. For me to settle down, day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you, I want to love you, never let you off my side for the rest of my life. I want to love you, I want to love you, never let you off my side for the rest of my life. Just give me complex emotion. Love is a complex emotion. It is not based on material things. Money should not be determinant for love. This heart is not a playground. Let love flow for test and trial. Let love flow, stop playing with the heart. Let love flow, stop playing with emotions. Let love flow, flow, flow.
So after you almost gave in your life for this girl, the father still insists you will not marry her.
Mike, giving up is a sin. It is not over until it's over.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Seriously, I think you should stop at this point. I think you should back off. Seriously.
My parents gave their consent.
You mean your dad and mom gave their consent?
Mm-hmm.
This is good news.
It feels so crazy to think I cannot be with you. I cannot imagine what my life will be without you.
Izuma,
Baby, just you and I.
well, you have proven yourself to be worthy. On that note, my consent is given. Congratulations. You don't have an offer in my company. You will have details about it later.
Thank you, Chief. You're a good man.
You deserve more than that, my in-law.
Thanks.
This is good news. Congratulations, Mama. My man.
It feels so crazy to think I cannot be with you. I cannot imagine what my life will be without you. Baby, just you and I.
Not again. What is he doing here
No
now?
one can take your place. Whatever it takes, I'll be here by your side, side by each other. I know I wronged you, baby. I cannot lie. I know I wronged you. I cannot fight. This love is meant to be. I'm sorry, baby. Please forgive me. I cannot lie. I know I wronged you. I cannot fight. This love is meant to be.
Congratulations.
Fatoma, Mechalukwe.
Hey, stop that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This calls for celebration. I got Ife.
Day and night, can't get you off my mind. I want to love you. I want to love you. Never let you off my side for the rest of my life.
I have cost you a lot as a friend. I cannot behold your face because the weight of my crime against you cannot let me. I was missed by jealousy. Watching you have to shoot us at a time why none has ever come for me. I feel so ashamed of myself. And I'm willing to face the death penalty. Meted out on me by the judge. I will not ask for forgiveness because I do not deserve it. I deserve to die. I'm brought in hellfire. I might be dead by the time you are reading this letter. Goodbye. Goodbye, my friend.